Welcome to the Fergus Quick Setup Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential settings you need to complete to get Fergus up and running smoothly. While this covers just the basics, we recommend exploring all the settings later to unlock Fergus's full potential. Check out our help guides for more in-depth walkthroughs. To get started, we'll focus on three key areas: general settings, accounting integrations, and adding users. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings. You'll land on the General Settings page. Here, add any company details and upload your company logo. These will appear on your quotes and invoices. Next, go to Account Settings. Enter your ABN, BSB, and bank account number so they appear on your invoices for bank transfers. Want to accept credit card payments? Check out the Payments tab to enable this option. Now, let's connect your accounting software. This will allow you to import your existing customers and sync invoices and payments between Fergus and your accounting system. In the left-hand menu, click Integration Center. Here, you'll see all the available integrations. We'll walk through connecting Xero, but the process is similar to MYOB and QuickBooks. For step-by-step help, refer to our specific setup guides for each accounting package. To connect to Xero, click on Xero, then hit Connect to Xero. Log in if prompted and click Allow Access. Then, fill in your sales account codes for materials and labour, supplier invoice and credit accounts, and tradesperson wages accounts. If you're unsure about any of these, you can skip it for now by selecting Do It Later, but don't forget to come back. We recommend speaking with your bookkeeper or accountant if you're unsure. Once connected, click Import Customers to bring them into Fergus. While you're here, we recommend scrolling through our other integrations. You might find tools that are a great fit for your business. We also recommend enabling the generic PDF invoice reader to streamline supplier invoice entry. Check out our guide to set that up. To manage your team, click Users in the left-hand menu. Here, you can add new users, edit existing users, and disable users. Start by editing the main user account, typically the account owner, likely yourself. Click on the user's name and head to the Employee Pay tab to enter your pay rate, being your cost to the business, and charge-out rate, being what you'll bill clients for hourly. To add more users, click Add New User in the top right corner. Select the user type. This determines what they can access. For example, full users get complete access, while other types have limited access to financials and invoicing. Then assign a permission profile like tradesperson or admin. You can customize these profiles anytime in the Permissions tab to adjust each user's access according to your business needs. Fill in the user's contact details and set their pay and charge-out rates. You can invite them right away or uncheck the invite user boxes to hold off. Just note, if you haven't entered a phone number, SMS invites won't work. And that's it, you've completed the basic setup in Fergus. You're now ready to start using Fergus with your team. We encourage you to explore the rest of the settings to tailor Fergus to your business needs.